Oh, this! I'm going to call. You can see it. They're on the same good work as you, Joshua.
As I say, it's always love and love alone. If I have a problem with someone, I rather go to the person and say, yo, listen, I got a problem because I heard this and I heard that. But it's not good for you to take the problem and go and sit one away and then gossip about it. You understand? So
me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are and anywhere you're working from. So, as you can see from the title, today we're continuing some work on the ocean project. Alright, the sun is hot. Yeah, so we're continuing work on the ocean project today. And guys, so what's going to take place now, we're going to finish off this ceiling. But what's going to happen, right, guys, we have to get someone else, to come and finish the work for our chef. We have to go and pay someone now to come and do the job, because I'm not sure I'm not going to be available to complete this project, so I'm saying got some things going, so I guess that's where it is, right? So we have to just get someone, pay them to come and finish our chef project, so we can just see it off, and that's where it stands right now. And we appreciate natural time, appreciate the work that he put in for us, same way, we give thanks. So guys, please always remember that this charity is a volunteer, right? So everyone volunteered them time, everyone gives their time, and we're grateful for the time that everyone put in, because no one time is guaranteed to put in for when it comes on to volunteer. So once a volunteer give a time, we appreciate that so much, so as you can see, we got two before, and got some nails, some concrete screw. So the next builder is down there, he was there before helping out as well, so he was the one that would put in some work the last time, we have to pay him same way, so he's the one that back now, when the paper complete it. So as I say, guys, this is a charity where it's from doing it from the heart, and from love. So whenever you don't see someone around or any little thing, it's because, remember, people volunteer them time, they don't have to be there, you understand? But whenever, if they want to be there, they will be there, because I cannot force no one to come and do this or to come and do that, because it's all volunteer. So we have to always understand, say, when someone volunteer them time, we appreciate it. So if someone don't want to come back around, we still appreciate them, because we showed nothing but love. Let me wipe off my screen. It's nothing but love, and we cannot force someone to be there if they don't want to be there. Because me myself, I always try to show love, and I always tell my members them, say, show love amongst each other. If you don't have a problem, you work it out. You understand? You can work it out amongst each other. You see me? And that will carry us a long way. So remember how we started from, there was so much of us that you can see the team take time gradually go down and down and down, for reasons out of my control. You understand? Because I only can do what I am here to do my purpose, and try to keep everybody together. But if everyone don't wants to be together, I cannot do nothing, you know, more than try not to get distracted, you know, or discouraged from what I'm doing. Because I'm telling you, a lot of time I'm so discouraged, you know, and then again I feel like say, it's probably a test, you know, for me to get discouraged to stop doing what I'm doing, you know, and then when I stop doing what I'm doing now, I know that people that needed the help so much, I'm not going to be able to get the help, you know. So I always pray, you know, for health and strength, you know, courage to carry on, you understand, because it's not easy doing this charity work, you know. I'm not going to tell you it's easy because a lot of things take place behind, you know, behind the scene, different from what you will see on the camera. And the behind the scene is what I have to deal with, you know. I have to always deal with that when it comes sometimes, you know. So it's not easy doing this, you know. Sometimes you see the smiles and everything, but guys, it's never that easy, you know. Let me wipe out my lens. It's never that easy, you know, doing something like this here in the community, the inner city, you know. So whenever you don't see anyone around, you know, if they want to be here, they will be here. You understand? And I don't think I should come here and call everybody, say, yo, come if you don't want to be come. You understand? And as I say, it's always love and love alone. If I have a problem with someone, I rather go to the person and say, yo, listen, I got a problem because I heard this and I heard that. But it's not good for you to take the problem and go and sit one away and then gossip about it. You understand? So that's how the world is sometimes, you know. If you have a problem with your brother or your sister, you might as well confront them. Now, I got one thing for deal for me, yeah? Yes. So if you have a problem with your brother or your sister, you confront them, you know, so you can just at least you work it out. So you get things off your chest more than you're gonna sit down and say this by this side and that by the other side. It doesn't work out, you know. It won't make any sense. You know, it's not gonna make any sense, guys. So moving forward, I'm just here to do my purpose, you know. I guess this is my journey and Trenchtown here is my destination. So you know, in life, Trenchtown is part of my destination, but you know, said the journey will always continue, you know. So I'm just doing what I can do, you know. So my focus is try to finish up the workshop project, you know, how we can move on from there, you know. But as you can see, guys, so
Sorry.
yeah. Will we take up the screw?
So there's giant school in now. Get the know.
Yeah.
I'm sure this come now, and put a wire this.
That's why I'm trying to push it more past it. I was seeing what he had last time, the current did a touch of it and it.
Oh, chef, you probably have to go move that.
This, yeah man, I move man, because wire.
I move it.
No, I thought you close them over here, so.
Basket thing.
Oh.
Yeah man, I'll take it down.
Wait, the hook up.
Let's take this car down, we're going to go see me man.
It's matter man.
See?
As long as I don't like the inside, that's it. so fix what?
It's a guy that's in the car.
Yeah, no, it's not this, so we have to live more.
More good than this. This more take off, you know.
Go on, one more.
Yeah, for move the wire differently.
One. Alright.
More than nothing.
Alright. Give me two of them, man.
Well, continue.
What is it move now?
I screw him.
Boom.
Team up.
Oh, yeah.
No, me and that. Put both. Give me two. That shit that boy. Yeah. Bring him up more.
Not hours.
Watch it, hold the board. Watch it, push the board.
Look at it. Voilà, voilà. Level. Hold it right there. Don't move. Plumb.
Worship, I hope they say, are you close on you?
Yeah, man, I took another rock them again like one time and laying them upon the rock now.
So guys, as I can see, you know, that is Dwayne, Dwayne is the one who's gonna complete the OSHA project, and we're just putting up the ceiling bed, which is, we have the Solitex here and everything. So this is what we're doing now. We'll finish off this, and the kitchen part out there, and also we have the toilets for going, the face basin, and then kitchen sink, and we also have to build a step for him as well too. Build a step for him as well too, because we're going to build up the step as well too, so to complete it all. And then now OSHA need to get the yard clean up for one time we're going to do the house opening.
Yes, man.
So we have the kitchen sink to go in as well too, here to finish off everything. So guys, that's what I'm saying, it is what it is, because let me say, apparently Natural says it's gonna be basic and much more that he should be doing, so might as well get someone to come and complete it, so I have to pay the guy whenever he's gonna work, so that's how it's gonna work. But now we have to pay him, to finish off the job so we can get it complete, more than sitting down, waiting and God knows, you understand? So yes, because remember, this is a voluntary game, it's not a monetized game, so people volunteer their time, so whenever them cannot give the time, we have to accept and appreciate it, as I say, you all have to be in it to do it, so just like how you see the members, they volunteer their time, they don't have to be here. So if you see them here, you don't see them anymore, because if they don't want to be here, what can we do? You understand? But I always tell them, guys, we have to show each other love. If you have a problem, we work it out with each other. You understand? I only can say my part, you understand? But remember, I don't live in Church Town. So when I'm gone, it's a different thing. So I always say, guys, when we work out the situation, if you have a problem, we just talk to each other and work it out. You understand? That's the only way we can move forward, because if I have a problem with someone, I'm going to confront them and speak about it before I keep that up in my heart. Because I keep it up in my heart, I'm gonna feel that way about you. I probably don't want to be with you because I have something up in my heart, and I cannot go to my bed with that in my heart. So I rather approach you and I say to you, you understand? And I cannot force no one to be here if they don't want to be here. The Almighty has put me on this path, you know, and I have to stay on this course and part to do what I'm doing. So things and times will change, because just like how life is, you know, things will change. But everything will remain the same as we expect it will remain. You know, things will change. You're gonna have ups, you're gonna have down. You understand? The tide will be rough and the tide will be cool and smooth. You know, but just how life is sometimes, you know. It's just how life is sometimes, guys, and we have to just appreciate and accept the change. You cannot fight against the change. Life is about evolution. Life is about change as well too. You know, as I said, there's a lot of time me myself I feel discouraged, you know, sometimes I feel like not doing it anymore, you know, because of, you know what I'm saying. If I'm going somewhere and I'm not getting energy, it makes me don't want to do it. But the good part that make me carry on is when time I'm helping someone that's in need of the help. You understand? When you're helping someone from your heart, it gives you that resting peace inside of you to know that you're doing something good. You understand? And it hurts my heart to see how people is living. So I try to make sure, so I try to help out as much as I can. You understand? You know, there's a lot of time I feel discouraged and I always pray for them and not them get discouraged. You understand? Give me strength to carry on. You know, because I know sometimes it's a test. You understand? So in our obstacles, you know, you have to jump the hurdle. You cannot just sit down and make it feel like say you give up, see me. You have to keep fight the fight. It's either fight or flight, and I rather fight sometimes than fly. But sometimes we have to also accept if it's that direction, it's that direction. What can we do? Understand? Sometimes it's about fight, it's about accept what is. You know, we have to accept what is. You know, so if you're watching for a long while, you don't see certain, you don't see no one, you don't see that person for a long while. Trust me, that person, they're alright, you know. If you haven't seen someone for the longest while, they're good. There's nothing wrong with them. If there was something wrong, or they were sick, or they passed away, then I would have make you aware of it, you know. But from you don't hear the other person that dead, other person is sick, why you don't see them, that means it's not the case, you know. So that means everything is alright. But as I say, if they don't want to be here, what can I do? I cannot force no one to be here, you understand? Because this is what everyone volunteered in time. I'm always say, listen guys, it's not a problem with each other, and I want you guys to reason between the lines. My program is not about anything that's negative. I don't try to bring anything negative to my program, because my program is not about. So I always keep it positive, because there's a lot of things always take place beyond. You see me I say? And I try not to bring these things to the program. I keep it positive, you know, and right through, and I deal with it. You know, but there's so much sometimes you can deal with in life. You know, sometimes you have to just let things go, you understand, so I can stay focused, so I don't get distracted or discouraged, because trust me, I am on that line, you know. A lot of time I feel that way, you know, and I try to stand firm, see me, and continue, you know. And I'm telling you, it is not easy when you know you can go and just do something for yourself, you know, help out yourself, do something that makes you happy, you know, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, because you're here today, tomorrow you're gone. You understand? You're here today and tomorrow you're gone. So why live in misery, you know, when you know that you never know when your day shall come. So me always say, members, live in peace and happiness. If you have problem with each other, no work. Right? So this is what it is, guys. We here finish our voucher project, you know, and we appreciate and we thank Natural for his time. You understand? So now we have to just do what we have to do, you know. We have to get someone to finish that or just move on from there. You understand? So me myself, I need some time for myself. You understand? It's too much. I don't want to know that tomorrow I'm gone and I got something heavy on my shoulder. I rather get that off my shoulder. You know, so moving forward, that's what it is, man. You know, everything goes already. So, best of luck to her, man. Best of luck to her. Jenna there. And everything, boom there as well, too. Boom. Rasta boom over there, so.
Yeah, man, there, man, you know. Man, cool out, just to come out of the sun here, you know. But can't come out of the sun, so I want to look for it.
Yes.
Cool out for that one here. Man, I want nothing to do with the show.
That swiglet that
What's it? Firm?
You don't want to get your picture, man.
You see what going?
Yeah, man.
You say the bed is up.
Yeah.
You say firm, you can swing like swing song. Not worship
My
though.
boss, you can measure out some board and cut them up in all the way work and like the zine, we just do want to get this. If I get this, I just be a board one cut and put in now.
Okay.
And then we're going to get to 4 foot. You know, so they think they are 8 by 4. So you get the 4, but we take the edge then. Right. So you know it go.
So guys, so here we have the bed prepared, not the floor bed, the ceiling bed.
See there.
See that?
But this 2 shots, I pay a bucket there for you. Should have a little leather.
Oh.
More strap for go up on it. It's like one of this up, one of go this up, and one of go this up.
Okay.
Yeah.
The jar this cup.
So we'll go for work. We'll go for work with Mr. Beanie, them and them big man, and them and the teach you trading.
What's your food, Jella? Sink. Don't take it out.
No, put the weight in the night back.
Oh. So you have tin set out there? Oh, another growth. That's like did more tin set. Yeah.
Show me your skill. Yes, say your skill. Show me your skill.
Oh man, take it out, man. So you have it. Just put it down. No man, I'm gonna pull back that in, but just want to put some tin set in it.
A piece of steel.
Oh man, just take it out like it come out and keep it. So when time we're done, just make up some tin set and farm it back exactly how you see it. It's like a puzzle. Peer number the last it, you know. So when I done now, because tin set out there, right? Jella, what is it?
Right at the line.
Tin set out there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the done to do that.
Yeah, it's done, it does.
Man, let's mix up things and just.
Yeah. When I see them thing that happen with weight, because they say they want more tin set.
I know, sir. Look like at the bed.
Yeah.
Look like at the bed, though, yeah.
At the bed.
I know it look like that. Bed.
But for sure, say they want more tin set. Treat about the cost.
Sometimes you see the natural will, you have to use the natural will, the bigger sprout them. See when sometimes you use the small sprout, natural will, and put it down, left space. Because it's small.
Yeah.
So this is the bigger natural will, now that the thing there. When you use the bigger natural will, you get a more body of the thing for it.
Yeah.
As I say, if you notice, most time man they use the natural will. And they just put a whole heap of about.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why them they use it, because they realize they left that look impact they pan.
Yeah, it's true. That is where feel back, man. You can't feel back. Because you can't see, so you know, so never have much.
Right, sure.
You got there about it high. Nearly full. Got about it go up in the air. Good.
Half an hour.
Sure? Look like I am that, you know. Release it. Yeah. Alright, hold him down with him and move it to send make up your finger there, man.
Right here.
Twist it, go so with the hand, look at this. Just release. You release, look. Alright. Let me catch up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's what it is, man. Tell me put up this man.
Not good man, I tell you.
I'm not tell it, bro.
No man, I feel something
Like good man, like. Yeah.
Oh, you just to catch it up.
Yeah, I measure it, I said right. And you with that call,
Yeah, bring more call,
we
yeah.
couldn't get no more.
What more?
Screw. Alright, screw done.
Alright.
I forgot near.
Good job, yesterday.
I just pop one in the middle, yeah. One more.
They're going to bed.
That makes you come with your feet with the edge, you know.
The board. No, make the board more.
That is for the nail, I see that. This is for the nail.
No, make the board in there. So.
Balance.
Board supposed to be there.
Yeah, man, boy.
Seven more for that.
Yeah.
So we find them, man. This one get what Miglan in. I trick that in the fly more time when you see find get what Miglan go back so.
Sir.
Hope so, yeah. So I want to go cut in so I want to straighten up them part there. When I see around the boy, yeah, I'm going to go nearly in, I'm going to cut in some board, put in them, you see me? Make it see a look. Show me your cup right in there, so I need to go out.
Somewhere near there.
Money. Top of that.
Say about if I need to, say yeah. I'm tired, I have to go say you go for me too little.
Yes guys, as you can see, you know, then put in the ceiling bed, you know, put in the solitex and everything, so step by step, you know, slowly but surely, yeah, we're getting there, you know, slowly but surely, so we're not far away, you know, guys. So as I say, that's what we have to get done, you know, once we get into do the work and try to finish our function, because it's well overdue now, you know, and it's the finishing touch that left to get done, you know. So, you know, once we're done with the roofing, then we can think about put in the fixtures as well, to put in the tile, the face basin, kitchen sink, you know. And then we're thinking about painting. So we're also going to build a step as well for him to go up. So, because the step is too high. And then get the yard clear out, and then we can give him an house opening. You know, we call it a day. You know, we appreciate guys. We appreciate each and one of our extended family that reach out and help out on this journey. You know, understand? The journey wasn't easy, you know, but you know, we jump in the hurdle same way, going through the obstacles, fighting the ups and downs same way, you know, and we have to go on, you know, we have to go on. We have to go on. But I'm telling you guys, me myself, I need a break, you know, to be honest. I need some time for myself, you know, I need some time to go and recuperate, you know, I need to do something, you know. But you know, charity is always in me. I will never stop doing charity, you know, I will never stop doing it, you know, but because something changes is going to take place. You know, changes will always take place, that's one thing for sure. You know, it's not everything is gonna always remain the same. Just remember that things always have a change. So it's not the end of the world, you know, we have to accept change. Change is a part of life, you know. Yes, change is a part of it. We only got one life to live, but just how you want to live it. Right, just how you want to live it. See what I want now.
Anything well.
One more. Now, kneel.
Any left boy. Come in. Come in. Come in the nail boy. Bad light. Boy, change the one me say.
Yeah, boy.
Apply for what you want.
For the birthday.
Full change. Yeah, I put that inside and just lock out this and call it.
Right, alright.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right, alright.
How you feel that boy? I see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we cut out that one and then nail up them part.
Right,
Now
alright.
make no time waste. Them just be nail up. Run some nail up. And get the measurement here, so cut off a little areas off of this side.
Oh.
See there, 30 to 2.5. 22.5. Put this around.
Board. Or see board lang man. See lang board. Yeah.
So it's strip, oh my. Body six.
We have to get the two before, because we have a machine can cut them. You know?
Yeah man, that's already then. Built already?
Yeah. machine and use for them something, use the cutting stand, you know.
Cut up some strip. I want some strip. Tomorrow.
Take out that man.
Tomorrow I just this I'm gonna do, yes I'm gonna do them. So I don't want to just finish up everything.
Sure you know.
We have all strip same time now. One part we could have gone strip. We have one screw, so I'm gonna get some screw too. Tomorrow. They were I use.
When they have a big strip.
Lot. Tattoo weight in there.
When they have a bad
Tattoo thin.
Tattoo thin. Better use this.
Go before.
Where it goes so. So when it goes so with the tattoo thin. But then you have to wet them for screw them there.
Yeah, for those comes, you know.
You have to soak them there with water, all that for it. Alright.
So tired, Pia, come up for the work.
Big olive. Where's that?
This one on the second.
These are the short one,
Right.
the long one now.
Long one, no. Better.
No. I chose this about 2 thin.
Yeah, tattoo thin.
So I use one of them.
One of the lad. Them man said the lad too, I got too thin.
I got 2 thin.
You have to cut it thick.
If you cut it 1 inch, you get about 3, 4
You build strip out like this, you have to cut it so. So and post it so. You know, so you can make strip out like this, you can cut it so. You can cut it long way and then bust it so. A 2 strip that you don't want, you know. See? If it could hold straight and bust like me.
Alright guys, you can see all that wine in the
And then bust
boom.
it long way.
Boom, stop at the middle. Yeah, stand up on the end. Yeah.
You understand me? Daddy? If you hold it so. Post it in the middle, that's straight in the middle. I tell you, say, that's why they use 2 before.
We use that.
You know that. That's why I tell you, this now. Put up them part here. Just have to put them in between like this. And thing. But them sealing now we are getting some that just level it up. You see me?
Alright guys, as you can see, one little piece left. And we're gonna get the strips, you know, and put the strips them across. As well too. You know, so you can see, so we'll finish put the solid text in this room. So one piece left to go right here. You know. So in here, so we're gonna dress up this as well too. You know, so this is not gonna be seen. It's not gonna be seen.
Breeze, man.
Alright guys, so this is it for today. Till tomorrow we're gonna continue back, you know, finish off, put that one up, finish off the kitchen and the bathroom, you know, finish off the kitchen and the bathroom right now. So tomorrow we're gonna complete all of that. and this put up the strips them for tomorrow. Huh?
Yeah, we have to go buy some wire.
Wire? Okay, electrical wire.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. So that's what we're gonna do next. Now we're gonna finish off tomorrow, and it goes already from there. So that is it for today, and tomorrow is another day. Yeah. May I big them up now? Yeah. Yeah? Yes, guys. Well. So you know the thing goes already. So this is the next day now. We're in Trenchtown. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yes, man. So you know the journey I continue. So today we're gonna put in some more work. You know, finish off the ceiling and thing. You know, so you know I have to give a huge shout out as well to Jaden and
J.U.
J.U.
Yeah. Bird and
Oh, Jaden and J.U.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy and girl.
There's boy and girl. They're a twin. Jaden and J.U. Jaden and J.U. So they're a twin. Alright, my general. Jaden and J.U. Big up on yourself, you know. Sorry you never get to make it to the treat, you know, from Greenwich Farm.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. And then got St. Adja Primary. Yeah, they're one of my youngest fans, you know, always watching Keenan live. Yeah, so the security said big it up. I'm just see your mommy as well too. Yeah. You know, so big up yourself, mommy. Because she said, boy, our TV never come off of Keenan life in Jamaica. So Jaden and J.U., big up on yourself, you know, much love from Keenan here. So you know, hopefully the Christmas treat, you won't miss it.
That is it.
Right?
Yeah.
So stay tuned. So yes guys, we're gonna get another length of 2 before now to cut up to make the strips, you know, for the ceiling bed, you know, that we can take our time move on from there, you know. I will also have a guest rolling in, a familiar face, which is you don't see if you look a while, but you're gonna see who it is when they touch down in Trenchtown, you know. So I'm not saying the name now, but just watch what I go on.
It is a surprise.
Yes, well, they know the face already, but it's been a while, you know. So you just guess who you think is coming. Yeah, so put it now in the comment section, type it in the premiere, and just tell me who you think is coming in. Yeah, that is it.
Long time we don't give a shout out to Oliver and Carla.
Yes.
Dream team, mother and father. Enough love, you know. Big up on yourself. They don't know. Bless up, you know. One love. You see it?
Every time.
Yes. Otherwise, the extended family. Bless up on yourself. Same way. One love.
Every time.
Big up on yourself.
See it there. Hey, come like say my hand I get tired, pull up the camera. All of a sudden now, my side start to feel heavy. Let's see that one.
Look a little bit timid.
Look at action. Good man. Good man. Ask him.
Ask him if they want.
Put me. What's that? Doing? Well, I'm first, prefect. Look on this. It's good? Eh?
We're gonna feel it and see it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's alright.
Alright, don't make you broke, kid.
Alright, bro.
Put it back out there in the light.
That's alright. Watch your water there. Whoa. Whoa, watch your water there.
Oh.
Until light gone. Oh, help him there.
Spin it again. Go in this, go so. Okay. Factory part in the factory part. Watch your face. Give it.
Oh, and the wire come off of this, so whoa. Out there, so. And in this is the problem.
Oh, that's all.
Oh, how which one? Oh, yes, yes.
And this is the problem. Yes, why I get slapped over the master can't fix it. Black tape over there.
This one come on, yes.
Look at peace.
Look at this one come on. From the edge.
Take it.
Look at this one come off. Hold on, cut this. This. I think at the same length, at the same size, you know. At the same size, it looks like. Push it. Push it in the corner. Push it in the corner. Wow, push it up. Come on, let's try it. No, perfect, no.
that clean cut.
Wow. Machine at work. How it look now? Test it.
Push up the end. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Hold him there. Alright. I'm gonna stagger it, you know.
Voila.
Hey man, let's see who fix this one. Because when I catch one and I can't swing, you know.
Oh.
Can't try to swing. Just want it flat. Alright, let go now. Let go this way. Alright, this strip will take care of them then.
No, you miss. Come out here, come to you.
Give me that hammer there, see?
Hammer. Put it in here, so? One Pablo General. Guys, you tell her. Upside you have to go. Manners. I want to say, oh, chef, remember across over there, so all the mother did there. Yeah. There. Alright, you know, so come in, Pablo himself, guys, and tell us the surprise. Yeah.
Oh, this! I go and call. You can see it. They're on the same good work as you, Joshua. Hold on, man. That's the same man. You see it?
Whoa!
No, I know.
Oh, boom!
Yeah, man.
Come in. Oh, you know, so Coach have just gone by something. Step up probably too high for you.
No, I'm not coming.
Yeah. Boom! Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have the ceiling.
So what do you?
Name Dwayne. You see him already? Dwayne! Look at there. This, man, put up some solid text now. Oh, stripper go up. Yeah. Look at him. You mind, I see that, don't you? The flashes.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
It's a word.
Yeah, man. Put in some light. You
Yeah,
see it?
man. Pleasure.
Alright, trust me.
Yeah, man. Every
Alright.
time. Yeah, man.
Boom! Turn off your tire. See you, man. Like this, like this. Now slip through and keep on doing that. Listen, man.
Yes, sir. So does it finish in touch with the pan now, Pablo, as I can see?
I love it done for the man there.
Yes, man. Quick and fast.
Sorry,
You know?
you know, just take on the time and do it now.
Yeah, man, that's your main thing there,
So we just cut the strip them, say no, say
Yeah.
ceiling and finish off. I want to finish off with that now, you know, say
Kitchen ceiling done already.
see it here, say I have one more piece left to do.
Okay.
And then patch out this so and put up the strip them. I will call it a day. And then the next thing I put in the sink, kitchen sink,
Yes, yes.
face base and the tiling. And you know, so paint. So we build up him step as well right here, so.
Yeah, boom.
Nice
Nice place, brother. Hold it.
Oh! Give God. Yeah, no problem.
You see?
One problem in the next
Yeah, Not here.
Them say, they always say the one Pablo,
Yeah, but it's not Escobar.
it's that Escobar.
Original.
Natural thing. Right, so that could give some work.
Yeah, so we're putting yesterday dealing about through the dust. Gina said, we'll get a drink for them. Jella said she want a Campari. You see, so me not come back now. I put the bite, you know. Get a drink of Campari with Jella, you know. See? Yeah.
Just go and hold in there, you know, kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, send you, Jella.
Jelly!
How do you get it from?
And I pop him go, you know.
Alright guys, so you see who is here. Pablo is here, you know. It's been a while you haven't seen Pablo face, you know, so I'm just taking him to a location, you know, somewhere that I know. So I'm just gonna show him, you know, where the location is, you know. So I just leave the guys putting in some work, you know, while Pablo is driving behind me, you know. So I'm just gonna bring him to a location, you know, because you know where it is. So instead of him driving and looking and can't find it, you know, I just bring him there where it's much easier, you know, as well too, because he got some friends to go and see as well too. So we give thanks and thank Pablo for passing through. You know the thing goes already. So we're on our next location we're heading to, you know. So yes guys, anyway, Pablo is one of our extended family that's been there from then, you know, and he never leave us out. So we give thanks for him passing through once more again, you know. So yeah man, so blessed love to all our subscribers, our extended family, our viewers, you know, everyone that played a part in Kino life in Jamaica. Guys, if it wasn't for the love and support that you guys showed me, you know, trust me, and the encouragement to continue on this journey, hey, you know, who knows. So I thank you so much for being there for me. So that's why we call it family, you know. On the other side, extended and another part. So you know, the rain starts. As soon as I'm leaving Trenchtown, it started to rain, you know, a bit, because it's been like overcast. It's been a little bit of rain here and there. So you know, it goes already. This is like some hurricane watch as well too, you know. So we've been getting a lot of rain since lately, you know. So yeah, but all is well. It's not that worse. So stay tuned guys, you know, stay tuned. Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that? Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.